Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be a short video. It is an update video to my Pulsar LT that I installed on February 11th, 2022. I installed it on my 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition V8 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 engine, disabled dynamic fuel management, and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Well, I just want to give you a little update on it. So I installed the Pulsar LT February 11th of this year, 2022. The last oil change was done 2,000 miles before that installation. And right now, I'm right at 33,524. That puts me at 6,500 miles since the last oil change. I think my oil life indicator is down to 14 or 13%. I will check that out. And this is what this update video is about. Every 3,000 miles, when I check the oil level of the engine through the dipstick, how else are you going to check it? Anyway, so every time I check the motor oil at 3,000 miles, or right around there, I have to add a half a quart of motor oil. Well, guess what? There are some people out there, what they're saying is that they think the oil consumption on these vehicles, not just the DFM, but also the AFM, which is the previous cylinder deactivation that they had for these trucks. AFM and DFM all lose about a half a quart of oil every 3,000 miles. And my truck was, but as of the installation and the deactivation of the DFM, I haven't lost any oil. So this morning when I was at IHOP, which is my favorite place to go have breakfast, I checked the oil level and this is what it shows. And as you can see, it is still totally full. So this proves without a shadow of a doubt that the DFM was the cause of the oil consumption. Now, and as for if the DFM is the cause of the lifter failure, I'd have to say yes. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's the problem. They had lifter failures with the AFM, and they came out with DFM thinking it was going to improve it or improve the gas mileage, fuel mileage, and also maybe not get the lifter failures. Well, GM was wrong on that. They still have the lifter failures. My lifters failed at 5,000 miles. They did replace the lifters on the passenger side. The mechanic at Riverside Chevrolet did an awesome job. And I was pretty pissed that they had to crack my engine open to replace those lifters on that side, but he did an awesome job. There is zero oil leaks, water leaks, everything is perfect. And I did a video on an oil analysis that I had sent into Blackstone Laboratories, and that proves that that mechanic did an awesome job, because if he didn't, there would be water and coolant inside of that oil. And there are no, everything was totally perfect. And there is going to be another video on that. When I do the next oil change in probably about maybe 500 miles, I'm going to send that oil in for oil analysis. So that'll be interesting to see how that turns out, because that has the magnets that are attached to the oil filter. So that's really about it for this video. So this Pulsar LT is doing what it's designed to do. No more lag time when I go to take off. My fuel mileage is still the same as it was before I deactivated the DFM. And I'm going to be saving money on oil, because I'm not going to lose a half a quart every 3,000 miles. And I'm going to show that picture again of the dipstick. And as you can see, it is still totally full. So I give a thumbs down to Chevrolet for putting these stupid DFMs in these vehicles. They should just take them out, and I don't know. Some people say it's the cause of the lifter failure. Some people say it's not. Only GM knows, and I'm sure they're not going to tell anybody. But anyway, that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. That really helps out my channel. And tap the bell icon, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. And we'll have a few bloopers, so stay for those. And maybe I'll do, I don't know, I'll put a few pictures of my truck. Well, not the whole truck, maybe the engine compartment with the Pulsar LT in there. So stay for that too. So anyway, that's it. You have a good day, and let's see, what can I say? May your oil levels stay full. And no lifter failures. And as you can see, my truck looks bitchin' after my current wax job that I did a few days ago. I will be uploading that video probably early next week. I have to edit that one. I'm gonna go ahead and post this one first. So that's it, folks. Have a good day. And like I said, may your oil levels stay full. I think I need my sunglasses. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be a really short video. It is a Pulsar LT update. It has been, let me turn the volume off on this. Okay, test 1, test 2, test 3. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Okay, I'm out of breath. Whew. Okay, today's episode is going to be an update on my Pulsar LT that I installed probably about 6,000 miles ago. I'm gonna have to go check on that. Be back. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be an update on my Pulsar LT. I installed the Pulsar LT on 2/11. Fuck. Oh my God, I'm so fucking tired of this fucking COVID crap. Shit. Go on. Keep on going, people. Is an update to my Pulsar LT that I installed on February 11th, 2022. I installed it on my 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition V8 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 engine, disabled dynamic bitch. Oh my God. Okay, last and final take. Okay, really quick. I know I mentioned this before, but I'll mention it again because this is going to be in the bloopers. Got COVID January 15th of 2021. Wound up in an emergency room 9 months later because I was having a hard time breathing. Actually, I was having a hard time breathing for those whole 9 months. It got really bad. It's been probably a year and 5 months, and or a year and 4 months since I've had COVID, and it still sucks. I went up and down my stairs like 5 times in a row. And it's killing me, dude. Fuck. I took a little breather, a little break. It's not helping. I'm gonna go sit down.